Guys, welcome back to this video. We are on a road trip during Seolnal, which is like the Lunar New Year here in South Korea, and we started the day pretty late. We woke up, well, I woke up at 10:30. We're in Kunsan right now. There's this like hiking spot that I saw online that I wanted to check out near here, so we're gonna go there first. And then we're gonna head down to, there's an island at the very south end of Korea called Wando Island, which we're gonna go and look, see what they have there. I know there's a monorail there, so we're gonna try that out and maybe get some food along the way. But right now I'm doing my coffee run here at my lovely Mega Coffee. I think Daejangbong. This is where we are. Daejangbong.
Yeah, we are. Oh, that's where we're headed to, Seolnal.
So we're like here.
Yeah.
We made it. Well, not really made it, but we made it to this island. And that's the mountain we're gonna climb. Right there. You can actually see the people up top. There's some like rocky parts of the hike. This is what it looks like. We did it! Felt like a long time. Wow! We drove there. That's where we parked our car. Right there. Wow! 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 Man, this was definitely worth it. Look at that. The hike was like 30 minutes long because it's 120.
It wasn't too long.
Yeah, we went like the back way. There's a hotel. And then it says like I showed you guys the sign before, like Tunsan-gil, and then it takes you all the way to the back here and up the back. But there's actually stairs down there. This is the view from the second deck. There's our scurry. The nice view though. This is the other path coming down. Just a bunch of stairs, which is very nice. Just got finished with the hike. So what we noticed was there's two different ways. So if you go around like the first way that I told you, when you first enter, then go to the back and up, and then come down here. Or you can do it the same way too, like up here and down that way. So if you see this cow, and what is this? A tiger and this little cutie. If you see them and up these steps, it'll take you to the stairs leading up to the mountain. Yeah, that's it again. It was like just about an hour from where we parked over there. We started over there and walked to this island and then hiked. It was around about an hour or so. It's a pretty good hike. We're back where we parked the car, where there's stalls, and we've seen a lot of like hotteok places, but there was one that we really wanted to go to. This is the hotteok place.
Cheers.
Cheers. What cheese did they use?
Mozzarella.
Very good. That's the hot dog we got from the place.
That was pretty good.
I like There we got a savory and a sweet one.
You're right.
A good choice. Man, this is good. You picked a good spot, baby. See, that's the thing. Like, you gotta pick where there's a lot of people.
Yeah, agree. Especially here in Korea, when one place is known to be good, everybody just swarms, so you just know. Straight.
Okay. Oh, there's nothing better than hotteok on a cold day. To Wando. We're currently walking towards the tower right now because the monorail is closed at 6 o'clock. I think we just missed it.
6:25.
Oh, never mind. We're gonna go to the tower and see the view from up there. Here, the way up is through this path. Right there.
We just started.
It's a day full of walking, or kind of not hiking, like ascending into things.
It's kind of like doing a stairmaster, but you're actually moving.
It is like that. Oh, it's a lot of stairs today. Oh. After all those stairs, there's more. I think these are the third set of stairs we came up on. See, we started there at that building, but look at that view. Look at that. There's a bridge over there. Wow, that was the view we saw before. That's it. It's like a whole circle that you just walk around. There's the port and the colored lights on the water that we saw. That's where we walked up those steep steps, where we parked, and the bridge. We made it back to the car from the tower, and now we're gonna head to Gwangju, and that's where our hotel's at. So let's go.